I just posted on Instagram to let all my friends know that I upload on YouTube. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to say goodbye to beautiful April. Goodbye April for the memories. Goodbye to the sun and the showers and everything. Goodbye. Okay, now moving on. We are going to go ahead and start planning for May. In April, the quote that I had was, remember the journey, and yes, I will remember you. Now, goodbye. And now we are going to focus on a new quote, new goals, different perspectives, everything new for the month of beautiful May. May will bring beautiful showers. Maybe not showers, but May will bring beautiful sun and air and heat and pool days. So let's bring it on, May. This is just a layout for my ideas of what I have and kind of to keep me on track. It's not something that I live by and try to maintain every single day. It's just something to when I feel down or get confused or get mixed up or overwhelmed, I can continue to look at my board, because you can plan everything. But let me go ahead and insert a clip because there's some advice that my mother has given. Yo te voy a decir algo. En la vida, uno pone y Dios dispone. What that basically means is that you can plan your day, but God will deliver your day. And I am not trying to push religion on anybody. It's just something that she would honestly say, and I'm just translating it for the truth. And it's true. At the end of the day, you can plan every single day, but life, the universe will deliver your day the way that it needs to be, because we are all on this different path called life. Therefore, when I do make these calendars, I try to be very flexible with them. The way that I'm flexible with them, if you notice, all I do is edit, upload, record. I don't say what video I'm going to record. I don't put what I'm going to do first on these days. I'm putting the holidays. Mother's Day, if you didn't know, Latin Mother's Day is on the 10th, on Friday. So if you have a Latina mother like I do, make sure to send them something on the 10th and on the 12th, because that's just how life works. Okay. But yeah, if you notice, all I do is put edit, upload, recording. I don't specify what idea that I have in mind or what project that I'm working on. I don't specify that because I get stuck and I can't start a new project until I finish the current project that I'm working on. And then if I get behind schedule and I keep looking at my calendar that I'm behind, I get stuck and I become stuck, and then it just feels like this big mountain that I have to climb over. And this just helps me stay on track. Okay, I want to upload on this day. What can I upload? What am I working on? What's going on? What can I do? And it helps me just stay on track with my videos, stay on track with the system that I have. It just keeps me focused. The two hashtags that I am working on this month that are my priority is So Maxi for Mother's Day and So Summer Together. Information will be down in the description box, and I also have a video explaining, and that will also be in the description box. The quote that I have for this month is kind of fun because it's May and summer nights just, what is it? Summer days just sitting around, but when the sun goes down. I don't know. If you know that song, cool. If you don't, I'm sorry. But My quote for the month is not everyone drinks tequila, and it basically means that, you know what, not everybody is going to like what I upload, not everybody is going to like me, not everybody is going to enjoy my journey the way that I am, and that is why I wanted to write this quote. Is just not everyone drinks tequila, because you get subscribers, you lose subscribers, sometimes you might get a comment, you might not get any comments. Sometimes someone likes your videos and sometimes someone doesn't. And when you put a lot of work into something and there isn't any recognition, it's very easily discouraging. And by putting this quote, it's something that just encourages me to remind me that, you know what, I just need to focus on the group that is encouraging and the people that keep coming back, because obviously I'm doing something right. And here is where I write down all of my ideas. The first two have to be, or I'm sorry, the first one, the maxi for Mother's Day, that is my priority for this week. So that is something that I will be finishing up the next few days. My goal for this entire month, though, is to focus on the views and watch time. I am learning more about YouTube analytics and how that comes into play on how my videos can be pushed out there and how I can improve, because we are always learning. And this is my May. Here we are going to just see some things that I've sewn for the month of April. So I did sew this maxi skirt, but I didn't like it, so I transformed it into a cute pattern for my daughter, a cute shirt and shorts. She wasn't a big fan of them at first, but after receiving compliments as she wore it out, I think she actually really likes it. And of course, we can't forget my self-drafted jumpsuit. So cute. Hi. So I just wanted to pop on here. Well, Susan and I wanted to pop on here just to say, I know I didn't make a lot of items this month, but I really enjoyed each one, and every single thing that I sewed really taught me something valuable when it came to sewing. I am excited to put all of those new things that I learned to the test this upcoming month. If you haven't yet seen the video of where you guys got to vote for a pattern for me to sew for my daughter, each of the patterns got one vote, or 3 of the patterns got one vote. So then I asked my daughter which one she would like for me to sew, and she chose the Simplicity 1703 for the pink and white polka dotted dress. I had to switch arms, so stay tuned for the rest of my makes of May. I am currently working on my maxi dress. I'm excited to show that and finish it. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.